Hey, this is Travis at Sherwin Williams in Tomball explaining about how to make a color a little bit darker.
So the best way to put this is the color you see on the color swatch is going to be basically 100% of the formula. Ways we can darken it, a lot of people think we just add black to it. Unfortunately, black can interact with the other colorants that are in that color and actually change the color. The hue of it basically is the best way to explain that. So the best way to actually get colors darker is actually just to increase the percentage of the color. Basically, we're taking a percentage of that colorant and adding it back into it. That way it keeps the same hue, but just gives you more color, a little bit darker. So you say 100%, you can, if you're trying to go up marginally, you'd probably go about 25%, but really there's a number of different percentages you can actually use within that color range. So we can do anything from 101% up to 120, 130, literally any range in there, just to darken the color. Obviously, it customizes the color up to a certain point, but that's how we can get that same color just darker instead of trying to go with just black, which is going to actually adjust the color to where it's not even in that same color scheme.
That's great, Travis. Thanks for all that input.
Absolutely.
Thank you, sir.
Not a problem.